So Fred was already somewhat socialized, and he is the friendliest of all three of these. He was actually getting picked up more and carried around and stuff like that. So you can see him really getting into the play. And you can see that he is focusing straight on that and not on anything else, which is the magic of play right there, is he's tugging on it, trying to bring it home and stuff, and so he is in the zone, which is what we're trying to do, because it gets him to come out more and not be afraid. So this is the awesomeness of play right here. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, and have a perfect day.